Hey there, adventure seekers! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you on a magical journey through Dubare Elephant Camp in Korg, where I had the most unexpected unicorn encounter. Picture this, I'm standing in the lush green landscapes of Korg, surrounded by the gentle giants at Dubare Elephant Camp. But plot twist, we're not here for the elephants today. Nope, we're about to embark on a horse-riding adventure that'll make you question reality. As I approached the stables, my jaw dropped. There, standing before me, was the most majestic, pure white horse I've ever seen. I kid you not, folks, this horse looked like it had galloped straight out of a fairy tale. I half expected to see a spiral horn poking out of its forehead. Now, let me tell you, I've been around horses before, and usually, there's a certain aroma that comes with the territory.
Ayra, move forward. Hop and move forward.
But these beauties, clean as a whistle. No stink, just pure magic. Props to the staff for keeping these unicorn wannabes in tip-top shape.
अच्छा सामने आना.
As I hoisted myself onto my noble steed, with all the grace of a sack of potatoes, I might add, I couldn't help but feel like a Disney princess. Or maybe a slightly clumsy knight. Either way, I was ready for adventure. And oh boy, what an adventure it was.
Ayra.
Now, for those of you thinking about trying this out, let me drop some knowledge bombs. Wear comfortable clothes. Trust me, chafing is not the souvenir you want from this trip. Listen to your guide, they know what they're doing, even if your horse seems to have other ideas. Bring a camera, you'll want to capture these views, and your majestic hair flips, for posterity.
Yes.
Be prepared for some sore muscles. Apparently, horse riding and sitting on the couch use different muscle groups. Who knew? The best part? This magical experience won't break the bank. For a reasonable price, you too can pretend you're galloping through a fantasy novel. So, if you're ever in Korg and fancy yourself a unicorn ride, minus the horn, head over to Dubare Elephant Camp. Just don't be disappointed if your horse doesn't actually fly, though with views like these, you'll feel like you're soaring anyway.
How was that?
It was so much fun. It was so fun, but it was painful because I was pushing me. That's fine. How the ride was fun, right? Yeah. So both had fun.
I can see that.
You should have come too.
Yeah, I ran with you guys.
Same with the heart.
I love it.
No, I love it. You don't love it.
You can't love it.
I love it. The heart is there. It's so good.
That's a cute heart. Say bye-bye to Arjun.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep adventuring, and remember, reality is what you make of it, especially when you're on a unicorn. I mean, horse.